You can spend less time doing laundry with this Logik washing machine, which lets you take care of the family's washing with ease. It can easily accommodate more clothes in each load, which means that you can make the most of the 7 kilogram capacity and get more done in one wash. With a larger drum size, it takes fewer washes to take care of the washing pile, which not only saves you time, but also money. It's ideal for allergy sufferers thanks to its ability to deal with 7 allergens and 4 bacteria types with its allergy-safe technology. You can save money on your bills with up to 40% more energy efficiency compared to A-rated models thanks to the A++ energy rating.